8-step practical problem solving. Step 6, countermeasures and plan. Countermeasures and plan key teach points. Generate countermeasure ideas, evaluate countermeasures, prioritise the countermeasures, plan countermeasure implementation, see countermeasures through. Clearly define what you're going to do. Countermeasures versus containment. Countermeasures will eliminate the root cause and solve the prioritised problem at the point of cause. It prevents the problem from reoccurring. Containment addresses the undesirable situation or brings it back to its original state for a set period of time. It doesn't eliminate the root cause and may not last for long. The problem can reoccur again. Generate countermeasure ideas which will address each specific root cause from your 5 why analysis in step 5. When developing countermeasure ideas, think deeply about who are the people that should be involved and what are the risks involved also. It's important to have more than one countermeasure idea. Have at least 2 to 3 alternative ideas. Broadly consider all stakeholders and risks involved to develop countermeasures with the highest added value. Countermeasure ideas need to be described exactly what action you are going to take to make a change. Make sure you involve, consult and inform all relevant people to develop countermeasures effectively. This could include customers, suppliers, process users, operators and technical experts, etc. A countermeasure should make a change. Do something to make a change. Evaluate all countermeasure ideas to prioritise the most value-added contribution. Evaluate all the countermeasure ideas based upon a relevant criteria, e.g. risk, cost, time, quality, effectiveness, etc. Use a simple evaluation score to help make a judgment on each countermeasure idea. Add the score up for an overall amount. Understand the contribution to the gap. How much will each countermeasure help to close the gap by? Be clear about what it will be. Sometimes you may need to implement a countermeasure that has no real impact on the gap, because it's something you just have to do to enable the change to happen. Review this example of a simple countermeasure evaluation. The evaluation should be highly visual and show the data logically in order and be easy to understand. Prioritise and select countermeasure ideas to implement. Use the evaluation rating score to help prioritise each countermeasure idea for implementation or deselection. Prioritisation should be based on the evaluation and impact. Ensure countermeasures meet expected timings from target setting in step 4. The countermeasures may not close all of the gap. You may have to do something else. Planning countermeasure implementation. Quick implementation is key after building consensus with the team involved, not months to do things. Build a schedule for your actions with clear ownership. Ensure daily, weekly planning of actions, not monthly. Make sure you meet the target dates set. Schedule review points for checking results as well as actions to ensure PDCA. Ensure you follow PDCA logic when seeing countermeasures through. Consider the following when implementing. You may need to adjust your countermeasures to get the contribution you want. Planned trial and error is okay. Loop back in the process if a problem develops with your countermeasure. Ensure focused efforts on countermeasures. Share information with others by informing, reporting and consulting. Check implementation progress regularly in a visualized area with team members. Share bad news quickly. Ensure contingency plans for unseen risks or events. Make sure you stay on track. See countermeasures through by speedy action together as a team, never give up and act persistently, ensure proper plan, do, check, act of countermeasure implementation, and ensure timely reporting, informing, consulting on the status of actions and plan progress. Now the heavy lifting begins. What the A3 story should look like. Clearly define what you're going to do. Use the 5 W's and 2 H's to help plan robustly. A good A3 story for Step 6 countermeasures and plan will show the following key points. It states the countermeasures to address each root cause, shows the evaluation of countermeasure ideas and expected impact on the gap, shows clear ownership, PDCA and implementation schedule to meet target dates.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest lean content.